Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply paper or like plastic textures onto your stickers on CapCut PC. So I just added this background real quick and I'm just going to add in a few stickers on top of that. Make sure you add the ones that you want first before applying the textures later on. Just going to add in some random stickers. See, what else do I want to add? Like this dress, and I'll add this one here. Okay, once you're done with your stickers, select all of them and then right click, create compound clip, then go to effects, go to texture and add in the texture you want inside of the compound clip. So like select it, grab it, and add it into your compound clip. If there's not enough, you can like just undo that and add in your textures first. I'm not sure if this still works, but you basically select everything then and then right click create compound clip. So it only gets applied to the stickers. You can't really see it on like white stickers, but as you can see it on the cherry one. You can see it here. There's like a printed paper texture. I'll like try to find like a darker color for this. Like maybe this one. If I added them to the stickers and create a compound clip, you'll be able to see the texture there. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!